In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bundle offers on Shopify for dropshipping, step by step. First, open your Shopify admin so you're on your main dashboard. From the left sidebar, head to Apps and choose to add a new app. This opens the Shopify App Store, where we'll grab the tool we need. In the search bar, look up Atlas, AI Store Builder. When you see it in the results, open the app page and click Install. Approve the permissions and any prompts Shopify shows so the app can connect to your store. You may see an additional confirmation inside your Shopify settings. Go ahead and confirm that as well so the installation completes. Once installed, return to your apps list in Shopify and open the Atlas AI Store Builder app. Inside the app, start by choosing the product you want to build your bundle around. For example, you might pick a long sleeve item if that's one of your best sellers. Select the product to continue. A quick tip here. Choose a product with steady traffic and clear variants so customers have easy mix and match options. Now navigate within the app to your stores, then go into Sales Pages and choose the Bundle Deals section. This is where your bundle logic lives. Think of it as the hub for offers like buy 2, save 10%, buy 3, save more, or curated sets that boost average order value. Keep your discounts simple and clearly visible on the page. Customers should instantly understand the savings without doing math. Next, move to the Cart Upsells area. This is perfect for adding complementary products that appear when shoppers are already committed. Pair your main product with logical add-ons and keep the discount modest so it feels like a helpful suggestion, not a hard sell. Small, timely offers here can make a big difference at checkout. Then visit AI Product Photos. This tool helps you produce on-brand, high-converting visuals for your bundles and upsells without leaving the app. If you're still finalizing your creative direction or want to set this up later, choose Skip Setup. Skipping won't remove anything you've done. It simply lets you proceed without generating images right now. Before going live, take a moment to review your selections and copy. Make sure product titles, pricing, and savings messages are consistent and easy to scan. Preview your pages and run a quick test add to cart to confirm the bundle pricing behaves as expected. Once everything looks good, your bundle offers and upsells are ready to start increasing your store's average order value. That's the complete process for adding bundle offers on Shopify for dropshipping. Clean,